Executions used to be brutal and unfair. Nobles were beheaded with a sword. Commoners were hanged. But in 1789, one man wanted to change everything. A doctor named Joseph Guillotine proposed a humane machine, quick, equal, and painless. At first, people mocked the idea. But when the French Revolution erupted, the nation suddenly needed a new way to execute. A heavy triangular blade falling at high speed, instant death. The guillotine was born. The first man executed was a criminal named Nicolas Pelletier. The crowd loved it. Fast, clean, and modern. Soon it became the symbol of the revolution. People called it the National Razor, Madame Guillotine, and the Red Widow. Ironically, Guillotine himself was against the death penalty. He wanted less suffering, but his name became a symbol of terror. And incredibly, the last execution by guillotine happened in 1977. The humane machine survived nearly 2 centuries, becoming one of the darkest icons in human history.